Communication is like string theory. It's the foundation of everything. My name is Sarah, Chief Speech Pathologist at Voice Science, and today I will uncover for you 3 vital communication tools you definitely need. Welcome to the Voice Science channel. If this is your first time here, let me take a moment to introduce myself. My name is Sarah. I'm a speech pathologist at Voice Science and also an operatic soprano. In today's video, I will uncover for you 3 essential communication skills that you definitely need in your life to communicate successfully. To accompany this vlog, there is a mini communication kit that you can download in the links below. Make sure you snatch it up. You want that in your hands. It will definitely empower you for the future in your communication. The first essential communication skill that you need is diplomacy. Diplomacy refers to the skill of managing people calmly and peacefully. Now, you don't need to be a boss to be diplomatic. This applies to you wherever you're at in your career path or even social adventures. We practice our diplomacy skills when we're faced with conflict. If you are good at being diplomatic, you should be able to maintain a calm and balanced speech rate, congruent posture, even, expressive voice tone, and naturalness even when faced with annoyance, confusion, or anger. Take a moment to think about your diplomacy skills. Referring to the communication kit, you can consider environments in which you need to be more diplomatic. What environments work for you? Which environments do you find the most challenging? And indeed, which communication partners make you really struggle to maintain your diplomacy? The next vital tool you need in your communication stack is the ability to be persuasive. Persuasiveness relates to your capacity to convince someone honestly. There are key communication traits that you can demonstrate to be good at persuading people. The first is an expressive vocal tone. We know from research that if you're expressive and your vocal tone matches the content of your words, people enjoy listening to you. They find you interesting and entertaining. So that crucial element right at the start of persuading someone and winning them over is indeed the tone of your voice. If you find it difficult to speak in anything but a monotone, you might need to work vocally to become more persuasive. Another key ingredient to being persuasive is the capacity to use your vocabulary effectively and flexibly. When we are persuasive, we can take a key point or concept and expand it with precision to gather interest. At times, if you're weak at persuasion, we'll work with you to boost your language skills, your content and logical structuring skills, and your capacity to retrieve interesting and dazzling words. A vital element of persuasion is the need to be authentic and sincere. If you try to be persuasive, but there's a degree of dishonesty and insincerity, you will repel your listener and instead work against your cause or argument. Refer to the Communication Kit worksheet to get some ideas about environments where you can practice the ability to be persuasive. We see lots of key contexts where persuasion skills are vital in life. One area is job interviews. Another might be engaging your team in a new approach or idea. Sales letters have to have a degree of persuasion. Even if you're writing your LinkedIn profile, you might be looking at ways in which you can persuade a visitor to your profile to add you as a contact and possibly even headhunt you. Persuasion is a key and vital ingredient for communication agility. If you have any questions about this, comment below. I'd love to hear what you think. The final skill in your power-packed trio of communication strategies for life is assertiveness. Now, in my clinic, this is something that I see many of my clients shy away from. And I believe that possibly it's due to a confusion behind the definition of the behaviour. There is a strong difference between being aggressive and being assertive. Aggression involves toxic communication, usually defaulting to name-calling, snarky remarks, put-downs, negativity, and bitchy remarks. Where assertiveness, when you're proficiently assertive, you are showing the capacity to firmly and calmly defend your right to an opinion, share it, maintain it, and set boundaries. Good assertive communication is not necessarily loud, erratic, neurotic, or angry sounding. It's concise, clear, well-structured, and logical in the face of often ever-mounting opposition. The traits of communicators who are good at being assertive are as follows: a calm, even speech rate, natural body language and eye contact, an upright, symmetrical stance, precise word choice, short statements, and a calm, even tone that sustains from beginning to end of speaking. If you know that this is an area that you really grapple with, showing the nuance of assertiveness over aggression, or making sure that you successfully participate enough to advocate for your right to an opinion, let us know. Our team works extensively in the area of social communication, particularly within our Elocution services. The capacity to move between these three skills is what will really make or break you in the workplace, socially, and in your interpersonal relationships. Our team is speech pathologists. We analyse communication and evaluate communication and strategize outcomes and changes in behaviour that are based on research evidence for social interaction success. If you have any questions about our services, please feel free to reach out or head over to our website where you can see more about our Elocution services. Finally, before we wrap up, make sure you grab that free communication kit in the link below. I think you'll find it really useful to screen across your communication behaviour for all of those detailed aspects of your daily life. My name is Sarah Lobigeiger de Rodriguez, Chief Speech Pathologist and Opera Singer at Voice Science. Have a wonderful day. Ciao.